Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Ella Bell. This vlog is a continuation of my past upload, and part of my trip in New York was visiting a bookstore. Here I am guys at Barnes and Noble. This bookstore is located at City Center Mall at 230 Main Street, White Plains, New York, United States. When we say bookstore, it is a store that sells books and where people can buy them. Whether it's a fiction, non-fiction, self-help, or educational materials, a bookstore is where people can go to find all these options in one location. Aside from that, bookstores also serve as places where people can gather, discuss literature, attend author events, and engage with a community of fellow readers. In general, common products that bookstores carry in addition to books are board games, educational games, journals, and notebooks, toys, movies and albums, maps, bookmarks, and more. You can call a book lover a bibliophile. If you find it impossible to leave a bookstore without buying at least one book, you might be a bibliophile. A bibliophile usually has a huge collection of books and loves nothing more than browsing in a used bookshop or a library. As for me, I consider myself as a bibliophile or bookworm, since at the end of this vlog, I couldn't resist not to get or not to buy a book. A bibliophile or bookworm is an individual who loves and frequently reads or collects books. As a book lover, I feel like books has a great impact in my life, since it expands my understanding of various subjects, enhances my vocabulary, and improves my overall knowledge base. And this increased knowledge can be applied to both professional and personal life, making me a more well-rounded individual. Truly, books are so impactful. One of the significant ways reading affects the brain is through perspective taking. When you read and find yourself thinking about the characters in the book as if they are real people with perspectives possibly very different than your own, and it allows for growth of emotional intelligence and empathy. More than that, books show us the inner workings of multiple perspectives and let us know there is more than one way to view the world. Books help us to become more compassionate. By the way, shout out to all of the book lovers, and we are on the same page. According to Virginia Woolf, books are the mirrors of the soul. Through reading books, people also learn the value of good human qualities and develop a sense of self-esteem that cannot be developed otherwise. Moreover, reading books create a sympathetic mindset, and book lovers have a compassionate heart. Basically, there is a role of a bookstore. Bookstores play an important role in publicity and promotion. Author events such as signings and talks are often hosted by bookstores. Bookstores can also promote books by placing them on a special display and by recommending books either in a store or online. I love walking into a bookstore. And here at Barnes and Noble, I feel like watching all of these books makes me happy and relaxed. Upon looking at these books, it's like all my friends are sitting on shelves waving their pages at me. A sort of these people don't know me, particularly the author of course, and I don't know them, but there is a connection or a gentle magic. Physical bookstores help us use not one sense organ but many. As I have said a while ago, that some products can also be found at a bookstore. And you can see here some cards and other items. Happiness is when I am here, because I usually shop here for books that I love to read. So every time I'm here in New York, I shouldn't miss this bookstore, because this is one of my favorite place to visit, especially that I love reading. So, and I am going to get these 2 books. As a book lover here, guys, these are the books that I bought here at Barnes and Noble. Thank you so much for this Barnes and Noble bookstore, and I always enjoy shopping at your bookstore. Thank you for watching. Never trust anyone who has not brought a book with them. This is me, Ella Bell. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.